So in this Air Canada app tutorial, I will be showing you how to book a flight on the Air Canada app. So once the Air Canada app is opened up, I guess to go to the bottom left and select book. Once book is selected here, either select a round trip, a one-way, or a multi-city. So depending on what you're looking for in your flight, you can go ahead and do that. For this example, I'll just go ahead and press round trip. Once that is selected, select where you want to go from. So if I wanted to take a flight from, let's just say Calgary to Phoenix, I'll make sure that it says Calgary to Phoenix and then vice versa. Then select a date. So if I wanted to go, for example, tomorrow and I wanted to come back on Monday, I can then go and it'll say at the bottom round trip from June 20th to June 22nd. Then go to the bottom and press continue. Once you're here, you can go ahead and type in the amount of passengers. So you can go ahead and add an adult, a youth, a child, etc. And then you can go ahead and select your cabin. This doesn't really matter. You can deselect it if you want and do what you got to do. But if this looks good to go, just go to the bottom here and press search round flight or search round trip flights. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and view the flights that are available. So if I wanted to go ahead and just do this one, I'll press standard, continue. I'll do this one, I'll press standard, continue. I then have my flights selected here. So once you're on this screen right here, this is the checkout screen. So you can view your flight to. You can view your flight from. You can then edit the passengers here, so type in your details. You can add the credit card. You can also use your Air Canada wallet. Then you can go ahead and review the purchase here. It'll then show you the total. And if this looks good to go to the bottom, press accept and book. And then you can go ahead and book your flight that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to book a flight on the Air Canada app. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.